How to buy Prime drink. Welcome everyone to today's tutorial on how to buy Prime drink. Prime drink is a refreshing beverage available in various flavors like orange, ice pop, and lemon lime. Let's dive right in. Firstly, open your preferred web browser in your device. Next, head over to shopping.myus.com, the official website. Once you're on the website, you can search for the official Prime product. You can find it and then you can select your country to ensure it can be shipped to your location. Now, choose your desired flavor of Prime, whether it can be orange, ice pop, lemon lime, or any other particular flavor. After selecting your particular flavor, you can add Prime to your cart. You have to go to the option to increase or decrease the quantity as needed. If the product is currently out of stock, do not worry. You can either place an order for it later or check the official Prime website to get available. Once you've added Prime to your cart, proceed to checkout. And this was everything you needed to know about buying the Prime hydration drink.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.